In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own server in Discord step by step. Whether you want to build a community, create a private space for your friends, start a gaming group, or even launch a business server, Discord makes the process incredibly simple. By the end of this video, you'll have your own fully created Discord server ready to customize and invite people to. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides just like this. Now let's jump right in and create your Discord server from scratch. First, open Discord on your desktop app or go to discord.com in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside Discord, look over to the far left-hand side of the screen. This is where all your servers are listed vertically. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of that left toolbar until you see a plus icon. This plus button is what allows you to add a new server. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. A new window will pop up giving you different options for creating or joining a server. Since we're creating our own from scratch, this is where the process begins. Next, in the pop-up window, click on the option that says Create My Own. Discord will show you several templates like gaming, school club, study group, and more. If you want full control and prefer to set everything up yourself, choosing Create My Own is the best option. This allows you to customize channels, roles, and permissions exactly the way you want. After clicking Create My Own, Discord will ask you what kind of server you're creating. Now select the option that says For Me and My Friends. This option is perfect if you're starting a private community, even if you plan to grow it later. Don't worry, you can always change server settings and scale it into a larger community in the future. After selecting this option, Discord will prompt you to name your server. Choose a name that represents your community, brand, or group. You can also upload a server icon by clicking the image placeholder and selecting a picture from your computer. Adding an icon makes your server look more professional and easier to recognize in your server list. Once you've entered your server name and added an icon if you'd like, click the Create button. Discord will now instantly generate your brand new server. Depending on your device, you may be asked to allow certain permissions, such as notifications or microphone access. If prompted, go ahead and complete any additional permissions so your server functions properly, especially if you plan to use voice channels. And just like that, your Discord server is officially live. You'll see default text and voice channels already created for you. From here, you can start customizing everything. You can create new channels by clicking the plus icon next to text channels or voice channels. You can organize topics, create private channels, and even assign roles to control who can access certain areas of your server. To invite friends, simply click on the Invite People button and copy your unique invite link. Send that link to anyone you want to join your server. Creating your own Discord server only takes a few minutes, but it opens the door to building your own online community exactly the way you want it. If this video helped you create your first Discord server, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Discord tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.